Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you're looking for a set of customizable LED bulbs, I highly recommend this set from Dalattin. LED is great for saving energy, but this set, along with the app, does so much more. I personally prefer a more warm yellowish white to my bulbs, and in the evening, I love a warm dim setting. I can change the settings at any time from my phone, and that also means that I always have my remote in hand, especially when I'm in bed for bedtime. I typically use these on a more basic setting, like more neutral tones. But if you love lots of different colors, or if you want to use these for a party, you're definitely going to be able to find the perfect setting for you. I also love the timer settings, which really help on the days that I'm not motivated to get up and out of bed. Being able to group the bulbs into different rooms is really cool too, because I can have a set for my bedroom and also for my kitchen. And the bulb isn't glass, so it won't easily break. And it's really as easy to install as just screwing in a light bulb. So if you need LED light bulbs, this set from Dalattin will have a setting just for you. And that's my point of view.